Hello, advisories in charge of moving and counting. Since your directions were a little bit lengthier, but not complex at all, I promise, I wanted to go ahead and give you guys a little recording you can share with your advisories or just listen to yourselves. So essentially, during our activity period starting at 2:15 or sorry, 10:15 on Monday, your advisories are going to make signs for the middle school lobby. So you can see right here which grade level you've been assigned to. And essentially, during this time period, the movers and counters will make a sign and then make plans for the week ahead on your designated days. So I'll go ahead and scroll down here. You'll see what your advisory assignments are on which day you're going to move and count the donations in the middle school. And then down here is where you see your designated day for the upper school. All right, so what do we include in the signs? Make sure the number is big enough so that the students, as they walk in school, in the middle school lobby, they can tell what their designated area is. And then the setup is going to be fifth grade will be immediately to the right as you enter the lobby, and sixth grade will be just beyond them, closer to the stairs. Seventh grade will set up to the immediate left as you enter the lobby, and eighth grade will be just beyond that. So advisories are going to count the number of items donated by each grade level only in the middle school. After they count them, they'll move them on to the trucks. So the middle school truck is going to be located in front of the flagpole facing the field, and they will need adult supervision. If you can't do it during their time that they decided to do on their designated day, please don't hesitate to call on me because I'd be happy to help. And then on their upper school pickup day, they're simply going to move the items, but they won't count them. Okay. So the upper school probably won't have as many donations brought into the building. Most people will probably have just directly dropped them off on the truck, which is fine. But while they're not counting the upper school donations like they are counting the middle school ones, they do need to move, for instance, the ninth grade pod donations to the designated area of the truck in the Estes parking lot. So while they're not counting, they will need to place them in their corresponding quadrant of the upper school truck. So hopefully that makes sense. All right. I think that's all I have. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Oh, for the middle school donations, this is an Excel spreadsheet where they can log in the number that each middle school grade level donated per day. All right. Good luck.